Hey Adam, don't shoot me. Shoot somewhere else.
Shoot it.
Good job. Awesome. You gonna do it again?
Yeah.
Where are you gonna shoot now?
Over there.
That way? Okay, show us how good you are. Woohoo! Awesome.
Done shooting.
You're done shooting?
Yeah.
Now you're just a boy?
Yeah. Nice to you.
Nice to me.
Yeah.
You are nice to me. I like you. You like me too?
Yeah.
Yep. Who else do you like? Who else do you like? Who else do you like, Adam? Oops, where'd it go?
Under there, under the. It's in there. I better get it.
You find it? Did you find it yet?
No.
Where'd that rubber band go? Oh, I see it. It's behind the piano. I see your rubber band. Can you get it?
No.
It's right there on the edge. You can reach.
No.
Got it. Awesome. Show me. You got your rubber band?
Yeah.
Okay, now what are you going to shoot?
Up there.
Or pie?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Almost. It almost touched the fan.
Yeah.
Almost.
Hey, you better not be shooting without your safety goggles. Uh-oh, you forgot.
I don't really want one.
Put them on. Whoa, wait. Put them on. Put that on the piano bench.
Okay.
Are they on right?
Yeah.
Let me see. No, look at me. Look at me. They're feeling pretty good?
Yeah.
Okay, so long as they feel good.
No, not at the fan. I want a pair. Yeah, that.